It's important to add captions to your video if you're sharing it to social media. 85% of Facebook users watch videos with the sound off. So you need captions that are burned onto your video file so that they'll play automatically when people scroll through the newsfeed. Here's how you can do that on your phone in KineMaster. First, put the playhead to the beginning of the timeline, and you're going to create a text layer to add your captions to. If you don't know how to create text layers, you find it on this wheel up on the right of the screen here, and it's on the left-hand side of the wheel. You click Layer. This opens the keyboard, and the easiest way is to use the voice transcribe microphone on the bottom right of the keyboard to create your captions quickly. Step 1 is to create a template for your caption text. So the first thing you want to do is listen just to the first few seconds of audio from the video and try and remember that. Listen to where there's a natural break.
So it's day 5 and here we are in the studio.
Now create your text layer. Click on the microphone to voice transcribe what you've just heard and repeat what you've just heard on the video. So it's day 5 and here we are in the studio. You might need to correct some errors if the voice transcribe doesn't pick it up. But generally speaking, it's very accurate if you speak clearly and you're in a quiet room. Now reposition the text layer to the bottom of the screen. And click on the colour in the top right here. Turn on the background and select black. You could also decrease the opacity or change the font depending on the effect that you want. Now you've got a really professional looking caption template. Step 2 is to extend that template for your whole project and then chop it up into shorter sections. So first tap on the text layer and then drag it all the way to the end of your project. Now go back to the start and listen to that first section that you've already typed in.
So it's day 5 and here we are in the studio. I'll
tap on the title and select Split at Playhead. Now go to the second text layer, tap on that and just delete the full sentence there apart from one letter. That's going to save you time later so you don't have to keep deleting it for every new caption that you create. You're going to just go through and split up your text layer. Listen to the next section until the natural break.
I'll just give you a wee tour if that's alright. And
tap on the title and select Split at Playhead and repeat this process throughout. Listen for the natural break.
And I think the guys are working on a song just now, so
tap and split. Repeat this process until you've got lots of titles on which you can create your captions. Now it's time to revisit each section and use the voice transcribe to create the full captions for your video. So it's what we've already done. You listen to what's being said in the interview.
I'll just give you a wee tour if that's alright. And
tap on your title and select voice transcribe and then repeat the words from the video. Correct any errors using the typewriter and then press tick to create the title. So simply repeat that process for every title. Listen to what's said in the interview.
And I think the guys are working on a song just now, so
open up the keyboard and the voice transcribe, repeat the words back, correct the errors, and then you've created your caption. Take the time at the end to go back and review your full video. You might find you've made some mistakes that you missed first time round. You might also want to fine-tune things like the font size. You might want to split some of the captions up into shorter sections. Once you get used to this, the whole process can be done really efficiently. 30 seconds of this video took me under 5 minutes to create, and that's not too much time to invest when you consider that it's going to give your video a much better chance of people stopping on it as they scroll through their social media and actually engaging with your message.